my word, look at those thingies. The anticipation in receiving this package has been unreal. I've literally been tracking it daily, and yesterday it finally arrived. So let's see what all I got. As you can see, I've already opened it. I'm just excited to show you. The PR team from Medicube reached out to me and they said they'd like to send me a package, and I'm honestly so honored and appreciative. So thank you so much, Medicube. Let's see what they all sent me. This will be my first time ever using Korean skincare. If you know anything about Korean skincare, you know, beautiful, glass skin, and I'm honestly so excited. Right off the bat, they sent me these Medicube zero pore pads. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Comes with this, like a little cute tweezer, and then this is what it looks like. Stunning packaging, so sleek, love it. I won't open this completely now. I'll do this in a separate video. I'm so excited. If you've seen anything like regarding the skincare online, you know it's amazing. Then next, what they sent me is this 1-day exome shot. One is the 2000 and the other one is the 7500. It says here lacto exome with AHA, BHA and PHA. So yo, I'm excited to do more research and see how this works. Ooh, fancy. How stunning is this packaging not? And then what they sent me is this deep vitamin C capsule cream. Comes with a little spoon. Stunning packaging. Oh, it's so luxe. I love it. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited for this. Oh my word, look at those thingies. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited for that. This texture. Oh, this smells delicious, not overpowering or like, it smells clean, fresh, subtle. Oh, thank you so much, Medicube. Like, I'm honestly, I'm honestly so appreciative. And then next up, they sent me 3 of these PDRN pink collagen gel masks with hydrolyzed collagen. Now, if you've seen what these masks do to your skin online, I'm so excited to try this. And then they sent me this little spatula for a mask, which is so cute and beautiful. Ooh, love that. Gorgeous. And then last but not least is this Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask, Night Care. Now this is also an amazing product that I've seen online. I can't get over this packaging. It's so stunning. I honestly cannot wait to start using these products. Thank you so much once again, Medicube, for sending me these products. I just know my skin is going to love it because Korean skincare is just phenomenal. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.